Hello students, in today's class we'll be doing this question. Consider the table trainer given below and write the SQL commands for the following. This is a 3-mark question, okay? 3 marks. Half mark for each. It's a very simple question. If you have learned SQL properly, you can ace it. Okay, so the first question is to display the average salary of all the employees city-wise. Okay, so here select, what do we want? Average salary. So select AVG of salary from the table. Here the table name is trainer. AVG of salary from trainer. Okay, now why did I write trainer like this? We know that SQL is not case sensitive. Uppercase or lowercase, it is not any problem for SQL, right? That is why I've written it like this. You can write it in any way, okay? That is not going to matter. SQL is not case sensitive. So select AVG of salary from trainer. Here city wise we need. So we are going to group it. Group by city. And then don't forget to put the semicolon. Now after this, second one, to display the details of trainers in descending order of hire date. Here it is just to display the details of the trainers. We only need to display the details. Okay, so here they haven't asked, like for the first question they have mentioned average salary. Here to increase the salary, okay. But here it is just simply the details. So if simply details means we need all these. DID is required, name, city, hire date, salary, all these we need. So when all these, that is when we need the details, we will give select star, right? Select star from the table name, that is trainers. Select star from trainer, order by. Here we are going to use the order by command because here it is given in the descending order of hire date. Order by hire date, DESC. Why did I write DSC? Because it is descending order. If I simply write order by hire date, then it will get arranged in the ascending order. If I need it in descending order, then I should write order by hire date, DESC. If I don't write it, it will get arranged in the ascending order. Now, the third is to increase the salary by 500 for all the trainers. So here we need to increase the salary of all the trainers here, right? So to increase, we are going to make a change. So we are going to update. We must use the update command. So update table name. The table name is trainer. So update trainer set. Okay, set, and then we must give the close, that is what we want to change. Here we want to change the salary by 500, right? We want to change the salary by 500. So we want to update the salary. So update trainer set salary equal to update the increase the salary by 500. So the original salary plus 500. This is the new salary that will be equal to the original salary plus 500. So we have now updated the salary of all the trainers, right? Next one, to count the number of trainers whose names end with letter A. Okay, we must count. So select count of. To count the number of trainers whose names end with letter A. We only want those whose names are ending with letter A. So select count of their names. Here it is T name, right? So select count of T name from trainer where names end with letter A. So where T name like, here we must use the clause like. If ending with letter A, like in middle one letter is coming, for all those we will use like. Okay, T name like. Here it is ending with letter A, so A will come towards the end, and here we will have something, and that something is denoted by the sign percentage. And now this must be put in in quotes. Okay, this must be put in quotes. Select count of T name from trainer where T name like, see here A, I have put it in the end, that means it should end with the letter A. And this percentage tells us that there is something before A. Some word is there before A, that is not what we want. We want the ending letter to be A. That is done. Okay, so we have counted the number of trainers whose names end with letter A. Now the fifth one, which is the fifth question, to delete the details of trainers who are from the place Chandigarh, who are from the city Chandigarh. We don't want their details, so delete. So in order to delete, we must use delete. Delete from trainer. Now don't get confused between drop and delete. Okay, drop is different, delete is also different. Drop is used to make changes to the structure of the table. Delete is used to modify the content of the table, that is to modify the values in the table. Like for columns, for rows, if you want to delete any of them, any of rows or columns, we will use drop. Delete is to make modifications in the value inputted in the table. Alright. Delete from trainer where city was Chandigarh, right? So where city is equal to Chandigarh. Okay, where city equals Chandigarh. So delete from trainer means everything, all the details will get deleted. If we want to delete only one particular column, let's say we only want to delete the name or the salary, delete salary from trainer where city is equal to Chandigarh, then salary column will get deleted from the place where Chandigarh is the city. Alright, now last, add a new column bonus to the table trainer. So here we want to add a new column. Add a new column means we are making modification in the structure of the table. So we are going to use alter command, right? Alter command. Because here it is, we want to add a new column. We are not changing anything, we are not changing the values. Alter table trainer. Add a new column bonus to the table trainer. So alter table trainer, add bonus, then the data type. Data type is what? Decimal 8,2. Add bonus decimal 8,2. We're done. See, that's all. Alter table trainer, we want to add new column bonus. So add bonus. Don't write add column bonus. Many of you will make mistake by writing add column bonus. Okay, if you write like this, it is wrong. Never write it like this. Okay, add bonus, the new column's name we must just add there. We don't have to add the word column there. So add bonus decimal 8,2. That is given. See, it's everything is simple. We just have to know the commands and what to use. Then you just have to learn those. Okay, it's really quite simple. 35 marks pakka we'll get from MySQL. It's really simple. If you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment section. I've solved many more these kind of questions. Please go through them and clear your topics. Okay. If you have any doubts, put them in the comments. I'll surely clear it for you. Thank you for watching.